last one.
I'm really enjoying it today. Like today's a cool and challenge, fun though, everyone. No. He'll give me this and I say, okay, here you go. I maybe put banana and matching with the gold. You think? No, I want royal nails. So we're not doing. Okay, can I get the? Should I get the different shape? You want to give me a different shape?
Okay. So that background. You know what? What's the new metal piece? Or glitter?
Maybe? No.
No.
Just give me one big piece.
Do amber.
Oh, hold on. Wait a minute. Sounds like no web top coat, everyone. Do not forget, like, oh, I just, like, say, wait a minute, I forgot something that I didn't remember. And so I pick the colors and I forgot. And I need
No fruit.
no fruit. I know. He keep trying. Here, can I get this one? We're in the mood of doing cool design right here. I think I want beads and frame. Maybe yellow, huh?
Do some of this.
Oh, I can do that. Bright yellow.
You can do some big one there, some little one from here.
The yellows and kind of a champagne's color.
Alright, ladies. So next you're gonna keep putting crystal on there for a second. I'm gonna end the live. I'll be right back with you, ladies. Yeah.
Please be back with me. This is awesome. I'm still going on with Facebook right now. Thank you everybody for watching. I'm gonna turn that one instead of just have it like that. There you go. Is that what I want? So I'm using like metal frame. Is silver and metallic metal frames right here. I have a whole tray in front of me. I don't know if you can see it from Facebook, but I have the whole tray right here. I'm working on it.
Hey Nuna, I'd like to see you on Facebook too. Yep, hang on for just a sec. We'll be right back with Instagram. There we go.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our live tutorial. This tutorial today is really cool and stunning.
I call it super bling out nails.
If you're happy with this, we are going to give it a really quick here for 60 seconds. I'm gonna finish this one right there.
Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Zach.
Thank you so much for tuning back in, everyone. I really appreciate it.
Oh, that's come out really nice.
Let me see if I have a smaller one. Tiny little one. Of course, when I'm not going live, then I found a zillion ones in there. Now I don't see it. Can I get one more? This tiny baby one. Looking for this one, tiny one. Alright, I don't care. I'm gonna take that one off because I couldn't find it, but I will show you what I can do with this.
Oh, just say that's pretty enough.
If you take that, you can put a couple beads in it. And also, it looks, if you pay attention, is right now, I didn't put any beads on it just because of I have a frame skew on it. So let's play some beads might as well because we back again with Instagram and Facebook. So I'm gonna place But you know what? Be honest. If you don't put any beads on, I think it already looks so gorgeous. But now let's see how it turned out if we put some metal beads on. It looks even stunning and looks finished. You can add more than one beads. You can do 2 or 3. I just put 1 and see how does that turn out. It looks really good. Just make it looks like I think it's just more complete. I don't know how that should be saying. It's more like details, I guess.
It looked like a scepter. A really fancy scepter.
If you're happy with this, we're gonna key this one for 60 seconds.
Alright, show camera real quick.
1 second.
Lovely.